Come here. I got a little secret for you. I personally know someone who made 6 figures in 1 year with no list, no social media following, and no prospecting. You see, when you have a strategy and a system in place, that's when things start to fall into place in your business. You need systems, you need processes, you need tools in order to make it happen. And that's exactly what happened to my good friend, Adrienne Hill. She was able to build her business to a 6-figure per year business, literally from scratch with nothing. So what I did was I called Adrienne and I'm like, Adrienne, I need to have you on the Behind the Automation podcast. When are you available? And she said, Lisa, whenever you need me. And so we booked the time to record the podcast, and now it's available for you to be a fly on the wall. Now, why is this important? Because I know that many of you watching right now, you're starting from scratch. You don't have a following, you don't have a list. And most importantly, you hate prospecting. I get it, because I don't care how good I am at prospecting, I hate it. I would much rather have a sales funnel and a strategy in place to attract my prospects to me so that I can make sales on autopilot. That's exactly what Adrienne did, and that's why I pulled her on the podcast. And I can't wait for you to hear it. It is really, really good. So go ahead and go to this link right here and listen to the podcast now. I'll see you over there.